Anjanaya Fashion, and this is an exclusive studio of kids and girls wear, and this comes in a street called Sultanpet, which comes in Bangalore, India, and it comes in a complex called Mohana Kaviti Arcade in 5th floor. And just have a look, one of the biggest studio in entire India, and just check the stock that is going like this every day. Lot of stock it goes, and very huge collection. And coming to this part, you will get here semi-stitched lehenga, and you can just have the look of all the collection. Very huge outlet. Online delivery is there, but you have to pay full payment, no cash on delivery, and total wholesale outlet, no single piece. Set wise you will have to purchase. And just check this size. I don't think so you will get to see this kind of size. And if you see on the left hand side here, you will get all the straight cut, Naira cut, superb collection. How many piece you want? 1 lakh piece, 10 lakh piece, everything you'll get here. And the collection keeps getting changed every day. One of the biggest outlet. All the numbers are there in the video screen. If you want to know the price, if you want to purchase any of the products, you can directly WhatsApp them. They'll get back to you with all the details. I cannot tell you all the price. The business gets affected. They are one of the biggest suppliers all over India. And just have a look at the collection. Superb, another level, grand level, high level, and absolutely stunning place this is. I personally loved it. And when you come here, you will get M, LXL, double XL, and you will get all the fancy crop top and gown. You can just have a look. All fancy crop top and gown. You will have more than 1,000 varieties in this. So if you are a wholesaler, if you have your own business, it's a great opportunity for you. You can come here, purchase in bulk, and then go and sell in your outlet. You will make huge margin. Thousands of people are purchasing from them, and they're already making huge margin. And when you come here, you can just check here. Here you'll get all the cotton, patiala, alia cut and all. So many varieties are there. So many collections are there. Again, I'm telling you, it's one of the biggest studio in entire India. This kind of collection, this kind of level, I think you will never get to see more than 10,000 varieties, 10 lakh piece. And right now we are going to one more floor, basement floor, where you'll get all the fancy frock, fancy western hosieries for boys and girls. And just have a look at the collection. See this floor, just have a look. Fancy frock you will get for babies and for girls and all. And just have a look at the collection, varieties. What an opportunity for you. Again, I'm telling you, they have lot of varieties, lot of designs. Every week their collection keeps getting changed. And so if you want to know any detail, you can come here. And you can visit the outlet, or you can ask them all the pictures. You can ask the price. They'll send you all the details. And online delivery is there. Again, I'm telling you, full payment, no cash on delivery. Here all fancy frocks are there. You can just have a look. Such beautiful collection, beautiful fabric, amazing varieties. I personally loved it and will highly recommend you people come here. I'm sure you'll become the regular customers. You come to this section. Here you will get all the gowns. You can just check the varieties. And how many varieties, superb collection, quality, fabric, everything is amazing. And here you will get all the western wear. You can just check the collection. These are just few sample. Again, I'm telling you, they have more than 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 varieties. How much ever stock you're looking, how much ever you want, they will deliver you more than that. Superb place, superb collection. Before I wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having one of the most beautiful collections for boys, girls, for kids. Will highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll become the regular customer, and I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.